Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. And this is going to be an update video on when I did my headlight restoration battle between the Meguiar's PlastX clear polish, clear plastic cleaner and polish, and the Colgate, your household Colgate. And so this is going to be an update video. I uploaded a video yesterday, but it was actually recorded the 19th, and today's date is 3/3/2019. So we're going to see what those headlights look like. Alrighty, let's go. Let's go check it out. Okay, we're walking along here. So like I was saying, I uploaded the video one day ago, but I actually applied the polish and the toothpaste February 19, 2019. And I used the PlastX on the driver's side headlight, and this is what it currently looks like. Today is March 3rd, 2019. And that side I use the Meguiar driver's headlights. Okay, let's go check out the Colgate side. I use the Colgate on the passenger side. This is what the passenger side looked like currently today. So just a quick update. In my opinion, I think the Meguiar's is fading out quicker because, as you can see right here, the haze is coming back with their old headlights. They're 5 years old. But Meguiar's gave the illusion, actually it polished better, but it's fading quicker. Colgate is holding up better, but the initial quality wasn't as good as the Meguiar's. But so far, Colgate is winning. This is like 12 days later. Thanks y'all for watching. Please hit and like, comment, subscribe. Be graceful. In this clip, I'm showing y'all before look of the headlights. On this side, this is the driver's side where I used the Meguiar's, and this is before I started my restoration process. And as you can see in this headlight, it's fade. You can see the fading around the corners and the edges and all over on the driver's side. That's where I used the Meguiar's. And this is the passenger side where I use the Colgate before look. As you can see, all the fading also. In this video, I'm showing y'all the after I applied the Colgate on this passenger side headlight. I applied 2 coats on this side, and I applied 2 coats of the Meguiar's on the driver's side. And as you can see, it's still a little like hazing, but you know, you get what you get. It's pretty old, you know, it's a 2014 Toyota Camry, and they're the original headlights, so that's where I used the Colgate. And I'm about to show you the driver's side where I used the Meguiar's PlastX. As you're going to see when I go to the driver's side, the PlastX did a better job at clearing the headlights after. But the 12 days later, Colgate won. This is just a quick update video on the battle between the Colgate and Meguiar's PlastX. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Be graceful.